We are just days away from Thanksgiving, meaning the busiest travel season of the year is already upon us. As people spread to their holiday spreads, so will the coughs, sneezes, and symptoms people experience with seasonal illnesses. Fox 43's Logan Perrone joins us in the studio with what we need to know ahead of the holiday. Logan.
Yeah, Braden, in total, AAA is anticipating more than 55 million travelers this year. Now, with that comes health risks, and health experts in Pennsylvania tell me there's plenty to pass around. Thanksgiving is a time for, well, giving, and it falls right around the same time we start to share our seasonal illnesses.
There are three big offenders at the moment.
Dr. Mohammed Ali, an infectious disease physician, says there's a full plate of things to be on the lookout for this year. Flu, RSV, COVID-19, and of course, the common cold.
So everything is on the way up at the moment.
Health experts remind Pennsylvanians to get your annual shots to prevent serious illness.
So if you get vaccinated, you're protected to some extent, at least from the severe infection and from infection per se.
Overall vaccination rates are trending down, in part due to vaccine fatigue. However, infectious disease expert Dr. John Goldman says that's not the only factor.
The COVID vaccine hesitancy has applied to the flu shot. It is applied to kids getting their vaccines. People are not vaccinating their dogs as much because of vaccine hesitancy.
Only 20.5% of American adults have the updated COVID-19 booster. 34.8% have their annual flu shots, low vaccine numbers that give doctors concern as illness numbers rise in the busy colder months.
We're probably going to hit peak flu season around the time we have peak Christmas season, peak travel season. I am in no way, shape, or form saying stay home. I am saying be smart about travel.
Both doctors say common sense things, aside from vaccinations, can help limit the chances you or a loved one gets sick.
Frequent hand washing will prevent that from happening. The second thing is, you shouldn't go to your holiday gathering if you're sick.
Or wear a mask if you're around people, especially those who can get this infection and can end up in the hospital.
Now, of the three viruses, RSV is causing the most concern right now nationwide. RSV vaccines are in short supply, mainly due to manufacturing and distribution issues. The number of new cases shot up from 2,000 per week to almost 7,000 in just the past month.
So we are having a bad RSV season like we had the one before last year. So we are seeing the positivity rate going up, hospitalizations going up, especially in the southern part of the country.
Now, we also reached out to more than a dozen school districts across South Central PA to see if they have seen a dip in attendance as cold and flu season rolls in. And as you can see, RSV cases ticking up. Of the districts that responded, none have reported any dips in attendance out of the ordinary. In the studio, Logan Perrone, Fox 43 News.